Hello kids, let's learn about various sounds of animals and birds. Come, let's go. Dog. A dog says woof and loves to play. Cat. A cat says meow and likes to nap. Cow. A cow says moo and gives us milk. Goat. A goat says bleat and likes to climb. Sheep. A sheep says baa and has fluffy wool. Horse. A horse says neigh and runs fast. Donkey. A donkey says hee-haw and helps carry heavy loads. Camel. A camel can travel long distances in the desert. Pig. A pig says oink and loves to roll in mud. Rabbit. A rabbit has long ears and loves carrots. Rooster. A rooster wakes everyone up in the morning. Duck. A duck says quack and swims in ponds. Lion. A lion roars and is called the king of the jungle. Tiger. A tiger growls and has striped fur. Elephant. An elephant trumpets with its long trunk. Monkey. A monkey chatters and swings from trees. Bear. A bear growls and loves honey. Wolf. A wolf howls at the moon. Monkey. A monkey chatters and swings from trees. Crocodile. A crocodile has strong jaws and sharp teeth. Leopard. A leopard growls and climbs trees with ease. Kangaroo. A kangaroo hops using its strong legs. Hyena. A hyena laughs and makes a funny ha 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 sound. Jackal. A jackal howls and yelps, making a loud awoo sound. Chimpanzee. A chimpanzee chatters and hoots as it plays with its friends. Goose. A goose says honk and waddles around. Turkey. A turkey says gobble and has colorful feathers. Crow. A crow says caw and is very smart. Sparrow. A sparrow chirps sweetly in the trees. Pigeon. A pigeon coos softly and flies around cities. Parrot. A parrot squawks and can copy words. Peacock. A peacock spreads its beautiful feathers. Eagle. An eagle screeches and soars high in the sky. Squirrel. A squirrel chatters and collects nuts for later. Frog. A frog croaks near ponds and lakes. Snake. A snake hisses and slithers on the ground. Bee. A bee buzzes and helps flowers grow.